I'm feeling very mental breakdowny right now, so here we are, switching up the hair colors. Hello friends, it's Mariana, Mary Bunny, whatever you want to call me. I want to dye my hair. It's about that time. It's currently 12:06 a.m. so if that doesn't scream mental breakdown, I don't know what does. I've just been changing the tips of my hair color recently. So I'm about to do purple. And we got these two colors here. And I'm taking off all my scrunchies and my rings because I'm not trying to fuck them up. Anywho's, but I do have this hair type that I'm willing to fuck up. So as you can see, we currently have like a faded pink color going on. It's definitely getting to that point where, I don't know if y'all can properly see that, but it's like, this part don't really look pink. It's been a hot minute since I dyed it, so I'm not gonna bleach it this time. I'm just gonna dye over it. I have two purples right here that are hopefully gonna do that. I am not a professional, obviously. And I'm drinking a pink lemonade, club cocktails, I think. Yeah, club tails, that's what it is, to help me out through this. But I just got work and I work tomorrow. I'll switch it up. I've done green, I've done blue. I did purple last year, but I want to do it this time. I want to do it again. So, and then I don't know what color I'm going to do next. So if y'all are interested, y'all can comment down below. So yeah, I know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of know what I'm doing. So for the meantime, I'm going to brush my hair after a sip. And you can see part of my Christmassy bathroom, so it works. And you're gonna see me without my glasses a lot, so off we go. One side, done. Alrighty, hair is brushed. So we're just gonna grab this top part, because that's what we're gonna do last. And go like a little swirly thing like that. A little swirly thing like that. I don't know if y'all can see. I sure as hell can because I'm not wearing my glasses. But we out here. Also, ignore my eyeliner. I know it's coming off. We're out here. Anyways, so we're gonna start with this Punky Colors purple color. It smells so nice. I love it. For the top part, and then we're gonna try to ombre it out into this purple, which is the Orchid Purple from Lunar Tides, and we're just gonna work with it. I got some gloves, and I guess we're ready to party. And I always get kind of nervous when I'm dyeing my hair, but I believe in myself, I guess. Unless this turns out really bad, then I don't know. We're just gonna work with it, I guess. There's no choice. It's either I dye it purple or I dye it purple, so. I'm a little nervous. Okay, we're just gonna start off with this side. We're just gonna go with the Punky Colors first. Putting it through, I guess. I guess it's starting. I definitely should. Ew, I already got it on my fucking neck. I should have put on Vaseline. Alrighty, that's the top part. I don't know necessarily how to do this. I definitely should have at least searched up how to do like an ombre color. I don't know if I go on to the next color or if I do all of it first. I don't know. I asked my friend this and I don't remember what she did. Alrighty, so we just grabbed some more hair. It's about to be purplish. I didn't take off my glasses. Oh no. Do I need to? Probably best though. I almost dropped it into the hair dye. It's fine. I can't see now. That's the problem. It's just processed. My gloves are very purple. Take a shot for how many times I say purple in this video. Oh Lord. Okay. I feel my dyed hair touching my back, so that's gonna be a great time. Alrighty. So now we got all the bottom part purple done. And now we work with the lighter purple. There's like way too many hairs on this glove, but we're just gonna work with it. And with the lighter purple, we're just gonna start off on the bottom. And make sure I get all the pinks out. Definitely is a lighter purple, but it smells so good. There's now dye getting on my face. We're just working with it. Okay, I'm realizing that it's just gonna be mixed, but that's okay. As long as the pink gets out, that's fine. I'm not really, I wanted to do more of an ombre look, but I don't know how to do it, so that's okay. Oh shit, it's looking purple, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that. No, it kind of looks pink in the camera, doesn't it? More purple, more purple, more purple. Feels purple-esque. Gonna go like this to take a drink. There we go. I wanted to scratch my eye, but I can't because my glove hands are purple. After getting dye all over my arm, particularly this one. The bottom part is done. Up to the top, there we go. So we have half of our hair pink, half of it purple. We're just gonna start with this part. We're just gonna go with the dark purple again and go like that. Oh my god. That was a mistake, folks. If you hear some loud screaming in the background, that's my boyfriend losing to a game. Alrighty, that part is done. My face is very purple. I'm realizing this, even though I'm blind and I can't see without my glasses. Alrighty, that side is done. So now we gotta work on this side. Oh my lord, I have to pee. I gotta finish my hair first. Oh my fucking gosh, I need to pee so bad. So I'm trying to hurry this up. And if you've noticed that I don't give a fuck, it's because I need to pee. And I only have these gloves, so I can't fuck this up. And then I'm just gonna do some at the bottom of my entire hair, even though I don't know if that's a good idea, but I'm doing it anyways. We're just about done, I believe. I'm gonna try to get as much hair dye as I can out of these gloves. There we go. And I have 2 pieces of aluminum foil. Yeah, I'm gonna take out 1 glove to hope for the best. Clean hand. You stand. Okay. You're just gonna go like that. There we go. Just one side done. Alrighty. Done, done, and done. And here are my gloves. They're now gonna go in the trash. And now that they're in the trash, we wait like 25 minutes. And then we unleash it into the shower. And then I'll show y'all. So, see y'all in like 25. Bro, I fucking forgot a piece. Of course I did. Whatever. I'll see y'all in 25 minutes. Alrighty, friends. It's been like 25, 30-ish minutes. I got a new drink. Now we're gonna unleash this and then shower. So we can see how it looks properly. And hopefully it is purple. Alrighty. What we're working with looks just about the same as we last saw it. But the tinfoil is off. I'll see y'all after my shower. Alrighty, friends. We are now done with our shower. I'm gonna unveil the hair, which it kind of looks purplish, but we won't know until we dry it. Alrighty, we are gonna brush our hair and then we're gonna dry it to see how it looks, but it kind of looks purplish. I don't know if the ombre look came out, but if it looks purple, oh my gosh, I already see some parts that are pink still. We're just gonna see how it goes. We are gonna grab my blow dry, quick dry primer spray from L'Oreal Paris, which is literally my lifesaver because I hate drying my hair, so I'd rather just cut the time in half. Alrighty. So now we blow dry it to see how purple it actually is. Off we go. Alrighty. We are done drying our hair, my hair, and this is what we're working with. Got my glasses so I can see, but here we are. It is purple. It's more like a wine purple, but honestly, I'm not that upset about it. Oh, this is cute. I like it. No, it looks good. I am content. It is definitely deep purples. And there we go. Just like that. And here we are. This is my purple hair. We out here. It's a very much like a wine purple, but it's definitely still purple, and I love it. So welcome to the purple era. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching me dye my hair and seeing how it came out, because we out here. Pink era is officially gone. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see me dye my hair more, I'm gonna film it more. I'll see all of you guys later.